In this clip, I'd like to show you a nice tool that you can use during solid simulation in HSMWorks. We've got one roughing toolpath here, and I'll just do solid simulation. And I'll play that toolpath, show the edges. We've got a terraced stock model. If I go right over here, compares the current stock and model. If I click on that, I'll do a quick comparison against our finished model and our stock model. I'll just zoom in on that. Maybe I'll look up here. All right. Let that finish analyzing, and I'll pull this slider up so you can see the stock stats, the XYZ slope, type, and distance. If I hover over, let's say, the gray area is our final stock, or our final model, sorry. The blue being the stock model. Okay, if I hover over that, the distance is 0 millimeter. If I now come up to the gray area up top, and go right over the edge, it's close. Right over the edge, it's 0 millimeter. As I get closer, you can see the shading and the blue starting to come in. You can see the distance actually increasing. That's the actual stock that's in that area. And I come right over to the square edge there of the terrace, and it's showing us that in that particular location, we've got approximately 4.5 millimeter of stock. It's a nice tool, especially when you go in with radiused edges and you've got cutters going in to those edges or trying to go into those edges and taking out material. You want to know how much material you still have in that corner. Sometimes it's not as visually identifying. Let's say if you're going from a 3/16 cutter to a 532 cutter, did it get all the material out of that corner as it should have? Okay, that's a quick demonstration again of just comparing the stock model to the final product, the model, and hopefully that's helpful.